Hey there, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. I'm excited to show you my newest listing here at 234 West Pheasant Hill Drive in Duncan, South Carolina. This property has over 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with the bonus room, split bedroom floor plan, huge master bedroom with the vaulted ceiling, separate shower, garden tub, there's a walk-in closet as well, laminate floors in the foyer, living room and dining room, there's tile floors in the kitchen and all the bathrooms. There's a covered patio out back, huge backyard with the fence. There are 2 storage buildings out back. This property is conveniently located just off of 290, convenient to shops and restaurants. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. Beautiful, isn't it? If you have any questions about this particular property or about the real estate market in the area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-525-0201, or visit our website at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.